Okay, so welcome back. So do you know if you just bought Bitcoin 1 year ago, okay, just check this out, you'll be 25% up. If you bought Elephant Money 1 year ago, you'll be 200% up. Do you know that Elephant Money, okay, liquidity, if you go to BSC scan, okay, if you just type WBNB right here, and if you check the holders, do you know that it's number 3 with 71.1 thousand BNB into liquidity? That is crazy. Elephant, it's number 3rd, the biggest holder in BNB. Okay, so before we go there, welcome back, and this is Cryptophile. Let's talk about elephant in the room, and that's Elephant Money. What the heck, this bad boy is been exploding. I did couple of videos for this one few weeks ago, couple of months ago, and the price was 0.16, and now it's 24. Okay, went around 50-60% up when I did the video, and I did great AMAs with SK Crypto who explained everything and how all the system is working. Okay, now let's talk about Elephant Money, but before we go there, make sure that, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean? Do not put more money you can afford to lose. Please also understand that this video is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you never watch any of my video, it's called More You Give, More You Receive. I'm the only YouTuber who is helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Go and watch. I did one yesterday. I'm going in India in just a couple of weeks time to visit these children. I'm going to do so many donations. So if you feel generous, if you want to help, make sure go and watch some of the video. If you want to help with any kind of dollars, will be great, because all the money will go right here. Again, also, I did few videos for some trading, forex trading. Go and watch them. It's very interesting how their crypto in the DeFi space and mixed with forex can be very profitable. Okay, let's go and talk about elephant in the room, Elephant Money. Okay, so whatever token you got in the first 100, if you compare with Elephant Money, and let's go and compare. I love comparing. So Bitcoin 1 year ago, 25% up. What is great? Okay, let's go back. Cryptocurrency, which one? Ethereum. If you bought 1 year ago, you will be up 7%. Elephant Money 1 year ago, 200%. Next one, which one do you want? Do you want the XRP, what's blow up in the last 2 weeks time? 1 year ago, if you bought 67% XRP. If you bought Elephant Money, 200%. Let's pick up one more. Which one do you want? Go and pick up wherever you want. Let's go. Boom. There we go. Internet. No, that's shitty. No, it's a good one, by the way, but I don't think it's big. Quant. Quant was very good. Is that 200%? Minus 16% 1 year ago. Okay. Elephant Money, 200%. Let's go one more. One more just for the fun. If you go and Chainlink. Oh yeah, that's one of my favorites. I love Chainlink. Chainlink, minus 10% 1 year ago. If you bought Elephant Money, where is that? Elephant Money right here, 200%. Elephant. Okay, so Elephant Money it's crazy. Okay, do you know that somebody, okay, before we go, that somebody put freaking 200,000 into the future? That's crazy. So Elephant Money, it's all connected with the full ecosystem. They are over 41 contracts working together. Okay, they have full ecosystem. If you go to the website right here, they have futures, Elephant. Now they have the NFT. There are over 5,000 NFT sold, NFT minted. Okay, over 5,000. 1 BNB, 1 NFT. I got only one. That's what I can afford. Okay, I'm going to try to get one more before the 10,000 are sold. Why? Because the next 20,000, I believe, will be, the price will be double. When they are sold, the next price will be even double. So it will be 4 BNB. Okay, so it's crazy. You have farms, you have trumpet, stampede, trunk. So everything here, what do you see? If this is looking like a rocket science, like what the heck is this? I did AMAs, 3 AMAs, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Make sure you watch all of them if you want to understand for the futures how it's working. You're earning 0.5% per day, so that's totally different. But overall, it's all connected with Bertha, what is the golden treasury, okay, treasury holding. And also is connect everything with the Elephant Money, okay, with the token. So everything is working together. That's crazy, correct? I'll not here go explain everything, but just to mention the futures, okay? If you want to ape with the BUSD and make 0.5% a day, great. If not, you know, do you whatever you want. But do you know that, oh, by the way, I sold 70% of my Bitcoin, all right? And people think I was crazy. Who is crazy for the moment? I don't think I'm crazy because I'm 60% up on my portfolio, because if I was still keeping Bitcoin, I was going to be around 15% up when I sold them, 20% because it was 25k, so I will be like 15% up. So far so good. So what's happened with elephant money is something what's called liquidity shock, supply shock, okay? So that's happened. I think it started. So when that going to happen is hopefully we're going to see by the end of the year. If that occur and that's happen when they have overwriting 190 trillions in the liquidity, I think things can go wild. How wild? Well, can go something like this. That's what everybody talking. That's what everybody expecting. Now, don't say I didn't mention anything, and I've been mentioning this one for months ago. So months and months ago, if you watch some of my old videos, you will see that we talk about this one when the price was right here, right? 0.14, 0.15. So 0.14, it was when I was buying everything. I built up my bags, and now I'm patiently waiting, okay? I didn't DCA because I say till I DCA the price will go up. Why I just don't sell all 70% of my Bitcoin? It's not a lot, it's 0.0 something, but that's how much I can afford, you know, just in case it's crypto, anything can happen. Okay, so that's crazy. Okay, I don't want to keep this video too long. If you go to BSC scan, all right, and if you press here WBNB, okay, so WBNB right here, the first address, okay, WBNB, there we go. Click on the first address. If you go here for the holders, okay, you will see elephant money number 3, 71,000. Last time when I was making the video was 64,000. 7,000 BNB more. That is crazy. Just imagine when this will hit, probably in 1-2 months, this will go number 2 in probably a month, by the end of September, and by Christmas time this will be number 1. What do you think CZ going to say? Like, who the heck is elephant? I'm not sure, by the way, when they're going to be listed, or if they're going to be listed in some crazy exchange like Binance because of the taxes. I don't know how they're going to work, but can you imagine? And if you go to the coin market cap, it's not even there. It's like number 4,000-5,000, okay? But the market cap is of elephant money, it's 240 millions, okay? So wherever it's number here, it's the millions, simple like that. Now, last thing I want to mention, if you go to Dune Analytics and if you go here with elephant with the futures, okay, elephant money futures, you will see there are 12.5 million invested, and somebody right here on the first page, you will see, you see the green, the big green thing. Let me just zoom up. Let me see if you can zoom. Can I zoom? Yeah. So if you can zoom right here, somebody invested a couple of days ago 200,000. I know we had crazy spike here with, look, the green spike 400,000, and I did a video there. That was my last video, and now it's like 200,000 somebody invest there. That's crazy. Like, that is crazy. Somebody must know something that this can last for a very good time. Again, not financial advice. Do your research as futures. That's different than elephant money, okay? I went everywhere. I went to the farms, I went into the futures, and also I got my bags with elephant, and I'm so happy. Look, this is what you want to see. To the right and to the top. To the right and to the up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Go and watch some of my video. Have a wonderful week wherever you are. God bless all of you. And also, don't forget, go and do something good for the world. Don't be greedy and just saving money and go and drive Lambo. No, Lambo, some people doesn't make them happy. Yeah, it's going to make you happy for a little bit, but when you do, when you make happiness for somebody else, that is the biggest what can make you happy. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Goodbye.